welcome to Latest Cars Info, your ultimate destination for the hottest, most exclusive and futuristic vehicles around the globe. If you're a true car enthusiast or someone who just appreciates top-tier automotive luxury, you're in the right place. Buckle up because today, we're diving into a machine that's not just a vehicle, but a statement. The all-new 2026 Dasia Dokker. Let's start with what immediately catches the eye, the design. The 2026 Dasia Dokker is a visual masterpiece that commands presence on every level. Finished in a polished cream exterior, it radiates class and sophistication. But don't let that soft tone fool you. This SUV is as aggressive as it is elegant. The front fascia is nothing short of jaw-dropping, featuring the widest body kit you can imagine. Dramatically sculpted air intakes, angular LED headlamps, and razor-sharp aerodynamic canards give it a bold and futuristic personality. And of course, at the center of it all sits the proud Dasia Dokker logo, glowing like a badge of honor. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the exaggerated fender flares that stretch outward with an almost surreal width, pushing the boundaries of what a luxury SUV can look like. These flares don't just add to the aesthetic, they contribute to the car's aerodynamic performance while giving it that wider-than-life road stance. Massive alloy wheels with intricate multi-spoke designs add another level of detail, while tinted windows maintain that VIP-level privacy. From the rear, the Dokker continues to impress. A sculpted rear bumper integrates enormous dual exhausts, sharply cut diffusers, and sleek vertical taillights that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The license plate bears the proud name Dokker, reminding everyone behind you what kind of beast just passed them. The rear design is balanced, aggressive, and stunningly modern. It's the kind of view you never get tired of. Now let's talk power. Although Dasia has kept the full performance specs under wraps, early reports suggest the 2026 Dokker is expected to pack a high-performance twin-turbo V8 or possibly even an advanced hybrid setup. Power delivery is expected to be explosive yet smooth, with an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and drive modes that range from comfort cruiser to track beast. Whether you're on the highway, off-road terrain, or gliding through the city, this SUV adapts and dominates. Inside, the luxury continues. The 2026 Dokker offers a tech-rich cabin with high-definition digital displays, AI-enhanced infotainment, ambient lighting, and ultra-premium materials. Think handcrafted leather, brushed aluminum, real wood inserts. Everything is curated to give passengers the experience of riding in a 5-star luxury lounge on wheels. There's also advanced driver assistance, augmented reality navigation, and voice-activated controls, making sure you're always in command without lifting a finger. What makes the 2026 Dasia Dokker truly unique isn't just the aggressive styling or luxury features, it's the personality. This SUV is built for those who want more than just transportation. It's for those who want dominance, status, and innovation all in one bold package. So, whether you're an auto enthusiast looking to upgrade or someone simply craving the next big thing in luxury SUVs, the 2026 Dasia Dokker is not just worth watching, it's worth dreaming about. From the elite body design to next-level performance and unmatched interior luxury, the Dokker is setting new standards in the world of futuristic SUVs. Stay tuned to Latest Cars Info for more insane reveals, exclusive updates, and high-octane car content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, because the future of cars is happening right now, and it looks exactly like the 2026 Dasia Dokker.